Today we are making baby jackfruit curry. The jackfruit, also known as a jack tree, is a species of the fig, mulberry, and breadfruit family. Its origin is in southern India, in the Sri Lankan rainforest of Malaysia. And here you can see how we cut down the jackfruit to make our recipe. It grows wild in our village, and it's going to make some wonderful recipes. So first we start out with our grinding board. We're going to be grinding chilies and corianders, spices, and they're more like kind of seeds, so we do have to crush them. With our homemade roller. This is a beautiful handmade rolling stone. We're just going to crush them with a little bit of water. We're going to make a paste for our recipe. As you can see, we're very fast at the village. We make a lot of different recipes and food. Our yellow paste and some sliced purple onion. Everything is fresh. Our curry leaves that we just picked. Everything is from the village water that grows naturally. So first we're going to cut the baby jackfruit in half, and then we're going to cut it again in quarters. As you can see, it's a pretty tough fruit to cut, but with the right tools, you can see we can really cut through this. It's almost chopping it in half. This lady does a very good job. We're going to just kind of lightly put water on the fruit to keep it a little bit fresher so it doesn't dry out. And we're going to wash our hands, get the knife, and now we're going to peel the jackfruit first. We're not going to cook the peel, and she does a lovely job of taking off the peel on the outside. And this is a very meticulous skill. You have to know how to maneuver this on top of the add just a spoonful of the yellow paste, and we're just going to spread it with our hands all over the fruit. And then next we're going to add the chili and coriander paste, kind of just a handful and a half maybe. And we're going to coat that onto the fruit. Now this is going to be spicy. So the spice with the fruit. And everything is done with our hands. Next we're going to add the spices of the Uluhal, which is a fenugreek seed, Foraka, which is a Garcinia fruit spice, and Karabuneti, which is a clove. Next comes the salt. It's kind of a coarser salt. We're going to mix that in. And then we're going to add some shredded coconut. Next comes our curry leaves. And we're just going to break these apart with our hands. And then they get kind of stripped right off of the stalk there. Mix that in. We want to keep those leaves at the top just so they don't boil down too much. We're going to rinse our hands with the coconut milk, and then we're going to fill the pan. And this is what we're going to boil the whole thing in. The fruit is going to soak into the coconut milk. We're then going to put it on an open fire and put a lid on it. It's going to boil up really nice. After a few hours, you can see that it's changed in color and texture. The coconut milk is really boiling, but it's all going to be marinated in there. We're going to let it boil for another hour, and then use our homemade spoon. And look at the beautiful color. Look at how the jackfruit has absorbed the coconut milk, and it's made it very, very soft and edible. So now it's tender. We're just going to set it aside and let it cool for a little while. And look how beautiful the jackfruit turned out. It's very tender, and we're going to put it on rice, and it's going to be very tasty. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, share, comment if you'd like. And we hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tune in to our other videos for some more village cooking and village recipes. Peace out.